So here I'm selecting for my blogger. Suppose we have to show that your design website will be different ways. Suppose in right side and left side I can clear the banners. I'll create by empty banners. Suppose you're creating for different designs. So design purpose, we can set option call is your layout. So where you can place the logo, where you can place by something. So this all. Suppose header will be there. Suppose in a header we can change for some option. We can't change by header. Header will be fixed. So if you change any other options, the showing will be like this. This is called only for ads purpose. This is called only for ad purpose. This layout is totally dependent by your theme. That is called your customize. In a customize, the option call is theme. The option call is customize. In a customize, we can select totally 5 options. Theme selection, background image selection, next will be adjust width, fourth will be layer selection, last will be advanced. Advanced nothing but your colors, font, etc. etc. Coming to your background, theme will be, you know about the theme option. Why? Because select your theme, which theme are you interested, just select, click for apply to blog. This is called your theme selection. Next one, background image. Next one, background image. This is very important. So here, just I'm clicking for in this. See here, how many themes are in the background image? Abstract, art, business, celebration, entertainment, family, food and drinks. So many categories. Suppose any category you not interest any single image. So how to apply my own image? What is the size of my own image? The sizes will be 1800 by 1600. That is called, we can upload image. The size will be 1800 by 1600. The image format will be supported by JPG, PNG and GIF format. So in this one, that is called your background selection. If you increase the width means, so right now like this, now increase the here. So automatically the width will be increased when applied to blog. So that is called, you can increase your width purpose. When you click for apply to your blog, now previous like this, I can see. Increase or not? The font will increase. Suppose you can change your this layout font, simple. Previous like this, I can refresh. Increase or not? This is called increase your layout, means the comfortable, user friendly for using width. Next one, layout. The layout we can use it only for one purpose, that is called ads. Ads, and you can show your contact form or showing for any social media activities, Facebook plugins, Twitter or YouTube, and a number of. These three will be using ads, contact form using for the social media activities. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, follow the Twitter, Instagram. These all we're using for in this layout option. Layout, any theme selection of layout will be different are there. Zero layout, left one or right one. If you this side they call right. If you theme wise this is called left. Left 3, right one, left 3. Here left one, right one. You can show for theme left side and right side. You can show by your options. Next one, only for right side 1, right side 3, and right side 3 and left side 1. Here will be footer only one layout, 2 layers, 3 layout. How to recognize? This is black color is called your layout. One is the content, second will be block. So I'm selecting only for one layout. Select. I'm selecting only for one layout. Where you can find out your question. Where you can find out. Simple here. Just scroll down. How many layout here? Only one. Is a layout options. If you select suppose 3, give the screen here 1, 2, and 3. How many layouts? Totally 3. Suppose coming to here 3 will be right, 1 will be left. 3 will be right, 1 will be left. How to? 3 is a right, 1 will be left as your thing. But the layout we can use it only for right side, there is a 1. And footer will be 2. Enough for this layout. Right will be 1 and footer will be 2. Now will be total user friendly. If you are using more layout, content will be stress. So that is called, here is the option. Is it clear? These are your options. There is not different, but your layout will be right 1, footer will be 2. Always remember. Next one, advanced option means change your background color, links color, blog title color, and font, tab text font and color, tabs background color, post font, data header color, and post your color. So I can only specific red, I can only specify for blue. Go for option call is advanced. Is it clear? This is called, you can select by your totally 5 option, that is called customize. Based on the layout, here the layout is working. Where it is on your Blogger dashboard. We have one layout here. This is a footer 1, 2, and 3. This footer will be a common. We're setting only for 2 footers. This is a footer thing, means powered by, authored by, designed by the site names. Is it clear? This is called build by your select your options. One is a layout, second will be customize option. That is called based on requirement. You can select your background images, background color, background width, and increase your size of your text borders. This all will be using for using customize and layout option.